Hello everybody and welcome to our today's lesson 2 numbers 1 to 20 in Spanish. In case if you've missed our lesson number 1, you can visit here and have a look at the alphabets. And in case if you've already visited the video, refer it once again and revise the alphabets. So today we start with the numbers. Números. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. So, these are the first 10 numbers, and next 10 numbers we start. Once, doce, trece, catorce, quince. 16 to 19, we always add the numbers as we do it in French. So, it is 10 plus 6. Diez plus seis. So it becomes dieciséis. 17. 10 plus 7 becomes diez plus siete. Diecisiete. 18 is 10 plus 8. Diez plus ocho is dieciocho. 19 is 10 plus 9, which is diez plus nueve, diecinueve. And the last number, veinte. So let's do a quick revision again. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once, doce, trece, catorce, quince, dieciséis, diecisiete, dieciocho, diecinueve, veinte. So we're ready with 1 to 20 countings, and in our next lesson we will learn 21 to 100. As I have already said in my French lesson, from 20 it's all based on the concept. So in the next lesson I will teach you how to learn all the numbers quickly. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram with the handle name Bloomlingo, and we will see you in our next lesson. Bye.